Okay, so I'm talking about letter B from the slides that I gave you, from the Nearpod rather. So letter B is what we're looking at. I had a couple questions about that, and I'm going to go through the process. I'm going to do it pretty quickly. Okay, so we take sine of the -1 on both sides. Sine of the -1 cancels out sine, and we do it on the other side. Sine of the -1, or the arc sine, of 0.8 is 53.1. And when we solve this, we get 17.7. So now we're going to use this formula, which I showed you in the presentation that I gave you. But please write this formula down in black if you don't already know it or haven't already written it down. Write it down in your notebook. All right, so here's what we're going to do. There are two ways of doing this. We can either put whatever we got for 3x into here, or we can put 17.7 into here. But if you put 53.1 into here, then you have to put 3x into theta here. We can put 17.7 in here, and we can just put x into there. All right, next step is to cancel the sign. So signs are going to cancel, and now it's just easy algebra. So we've got 53.1 is equal to 180 minus 3x. We get 42.3. This is where it gets a little bit difficult, and what I said is visualize the curve, and that's hard to do. But I want to go back to the periodicity. So we're dealing with the sine of 3x. So that means it's going 3 times as fast, and that means that the periods are 360 divided by 3. So they're 3 times shorter than what they would ordinarily be. So 3x means that each period is 360 divided by 3. So if you want to find it, here we go. And we're trying to find, here, let me go back to the problem. Sine of 3x is equal to 0.8. We're trying to find out what values are 0.8. We already found these. But so let's think about going from here to here. What do? You add 120. You add 360 divided by 3, and we get 120. So what you can do is you can do it 2 ways. One way is you can add 120 because the periods are 120 from there to there, there to there. Or you can do it this way. So you can think about 17.7, for example. We're trying to get to here, so we just add 120. And to me, this helps you understand. I'm hoping it'll help you understand a little bit more. So if you do 137 plus the difference between these two, and 137.7 is what we got here, then it's going to be the same distance. So if we subtract these two and add it to 137.7, then we're going to have this value as well. Okay, here are the solutions. We've got 4 of them, and that's the end. Thank you.